Did you know you can easily construct mill area geometries using feature-based machining in NXCAM? Welcome back to another NXCAM quick tip, mill area creation via FBM. Have you ever felt that manually creating mill area geometries or cut areas is a bit cumbersome, especially when dealing with complex prismatic parts with lots of features? Well, here's a shortcut. If you have the feature-based machining, aka FBM module, you can automate the creation of these geometries. Let's walk through how to quickly generate mill area geometries via FBM. Click on Find Features in the top ribbon bar. Set parametric recognition as the type. Specify your machining access vector based on your machine's capabilities. Click Find Features, then click OK when it's done. Now, let's turn those machining features into geometries. In the Machining Feature Navigator, select all the machining features. Right-click and choose Group Features. Set identical attributes to None. Click Create Feature Groups. Then click OK when finished. Back in the Operation Navigator, expand the Workpiece node. You'll see all the feature groups listed. These feature groups can be directly used by machining operations as mill areas geometries or cut areas. They are not created solely for FBM. You can use them in manual programming at any time. And that's today's NXCAM quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching. For more insights, stay tuned to Long-Term Technology Services. Need help with NXCAM? Please reach out. We're here to help.